Hello， 大家好，我是王刚。本期视频我跟大家分享一道家常菜——蚂蚁上树。
Let's hit it. First, prepare 150 grams of sweet potato noodles. Break them from the middle and place them into a bowl. Add hot water and rest for 15 minutes. This is for softening the noodles as they absorb the water. Drain the noodles after 15 minutes. Now, prepare the side ingredients. Prepare 100 grams of pork belly. Remove the skin and chop it up into pork mince. Chop up some garlic. Smash a small piece of ginger and chop it up. Chop up 15 grams of pickled red chilies. Chop up 20 grams of celery. Chop up 1 garlic sprout. Chop up 2 scallions. Now let's do the cooking. First, warm up the wok and add some oil. After warming up, add some vegetable oil. Pour the hot oil out and add some green Sichuan pepper. And then add in the minced pork. Stir fry the minced pork with low heat for 40 seconds. This will make the dish to have more flavor since the low heat will force the lard out. Now stir in all the ginger, garlic and pickled red chilies. Add 3 grams of Sichuan broad bean paste. Cook on low heat until the oil becomes ripe. After the fragrance is out, add sweet potato noodles. Stir the noodles for 30 seconds. This step is to soften the noodles and cook them slowly. Final seasoning after 30 seconds. Add 2 grams of light soy sauce, pour from the edge of the wok. 2 grams of dark soy sauce for the coloring. A little bit of salt. 1 gram of MSG. A pinch of sugar for enhanced freshness. Stir all the seasonings slowly. Add the garlic sprouts and chop the scallions. In the end, stir in some scallion oil and it's ready to serve. The spicy minced pork stir-fried sweet potato noodle is ready. Now let's review some key points. First, it is better to use sweet potato noodle to cook this dish. Second, the lard in the pork belly will enhance the flavor of the noodle. Third, do not add water for this dish, otherwise the noodle will stick to the wok. That's all. Hope you enjoy ants climbing a tree. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Wang's channel. Unlock the secret of Chinese kitchen. See you next dish.